Today we'll show you how to install a Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch, part number 75229. This hitch application will fit the following make and models of vehicles. For this installation, we have a 2017 Land Rover Range Rover Sport HSE. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all parts included in the instructions. For this installation, we will be using the following tools. We also recommend wearing safety equipment. Before beginning the installation, you will need to remove some of the vehicle's rear fascia. Use a flathead screwdriver to take out the two plastic rivets attaching the upper fascia on the rear of the vehicle. Once these rivets have been taken out, you can remove the fascia panel. Next, use a 10mm socket and Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 bolts that attach the lower rear fascia panel to take it down as well. Now you're ready to install the hitch. Begin by locating the 5 hitch attachment points on the vehicle's frame. Once located, raise the hitch into position. Insert the 1/2-inch bolt with flat washer through the attachment hole on the back of the vehicle's bumper beam and out through the center attachment hole on the hitch. Once the bolt is in place, loosely fasten it with the flange nut. This will help hold the hitch in place so that you can more easily install the rest of the hardware. Next, thread the M12 bolts and washers through the hitch's bracket slots and into the vehicle frame's weld nuts to loosely attach the rest of the hitch to the vehicle's frame. Now, use a torque wrench to tighten all of the bolts fastening the hitch to the vehicle's frame to 75 foot-pounds. Next, you will need to trim the lower fascia panel before reinstalling it on the vehicle. To determine the exact measurements needed for trimming, please refer to your installation instructions. Once the trimming is done, you can reinstall the upper and lower fascia panels that were removed at the beginning of the installation. This concludes the installation of the Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch, part number 75229. For more information on this and other great products from Draw-Tite, visit draw-tite.com.